Hi, my name is Nancy Chu, and I'm a PhD candidate in religious studies at Stanford University. My paper, Empathy in the Field, tied for second place in the graduate student essay contest, and I will be reading an excerpt. Doing ethnographic research is a difficult time for many students. It can be, as Amy Pollard writes, a time of deep vulnerability for many doctoral students who are in the field for the first time. In a series of interviews she conducted with 16 anthropology doctoral students at 3 UK universities, students reported feeling, quote, alone, ashamed, bereaved, betrayed, depressed, desperate, disappointed, disturbed, embarrassed, fearful, frustrated, guilty, harassed, homeless, paranoid, regretful, silenced, stressed, trapped, uncomfortable, unprepared, unsupported, and unwell, unquote. Pollard's evidence suggests that PhD students often do not fully anticipate the challenges they will encounter in the field. As for me, I will be studying Taiwanese Buddhist monastics and pain patients who are dealing with chronic and acute pain. What I anticipate to be my main issue in the field is the difficulty of being close to people dealing with long-term or severe pain and witnessing suffering while not shutting down emotionally. With that in mind, I wish to explore here what empathy and vulnerability mean for a doctoral student doing ethnographic research in the field. I will consider what the anthropologist can and should do in the face of grave suffering when her commitments are to observe, gather information, and produce knowledge, especially in light of anthropology's long-time tendency of focusing on suffering subjects. I will additionally explore how empathy and vulnerability are used in anthropology, the ethical quandaries they bring up, and their role in fieldwork. I will argue that despite the criticisms she received, and even though the moment for the vulnerable observer is long past, Ruth Behar remains right in arguing for vulnerability in the field for the ethnographer.